Hello students, welcome to class 4. Today we are going to learn a new chapter, chapter 9, light. And in this chapter we will learn about the definition of light, means what is light, then sources of light and the properties of light. So let us begin with the definition. Light is a form of energy which helps us to see things around us. We know we see things through our eyes, but our eyes cannot see the things without light. So light is very important for the visibility. So light is a form of energy which helps us to see things around us. Now what is meant by sources of light? So an object which emits light is called a source of light. Means the object or the thing through which light comes is called source of light. So light is divided into two categories: natural source of light and artificial source of light. Now we will see the natural source of light and artificial sources of light. So, natural sources of lights are the sources of light in which no human involvement. So these sources are without human involvement. Examples of natural sources of light are sun, stars, fireflies, etc. And artificial sources of lights are man-made sources of light. So let us see the examples: candle, bulb, fire, torch, etc. Now on the basis of ability to emit light, objects are divided into two types. The first one is luminous objects and non-luminous objects. So luminous objects are the objects which emit light of their own, means they have their own light. So these type of objects are called luminous objects, like sun, fire, candles. Now non-luminous objects are the objects that do not emit light of their own, but they reflect the light falling on them. Hence they are visible. So these type of objects are called non-luminous objects. Examples are moon, books, furniture, etc. Now the question arises, why are moon and planets considered as non-luminous objects? So let us see the answer. Moon and planets are non-luminous objects. You know, sun and stars have their own light, but moon and planets have not their own light. So they do not produce light of their own. Instead, they reflect the light of the sun falling on them. Hence they are called non-luminous objects. Now let us discuss the last section of this class, that is properties of light. The first property is light is an invisible energy which gives us the sensation of light. Means we cannot see this energy, but we can feel the sensation of light. So light is an invisible energy. Second point is, when light falls on an object, it bounces off the surface. Means when light falls on any object, it will not absorb that light. So it reflects. So this is called reflection of light. Third point is, light travels at a very high speed. So when we burn a firecracker, we can see the fire, or we can see the light of cracker first, and then we hear the sound. So this is the property of light, that is light travels at a very high speed. Now the last property is light travels in a straight line. To prove this property, we can do one activity. We will take one tube like this, and we will try to see from the tube. So we can easily see the other side. But when we will try to see from this folded tube, means we will fold this tube like this, then we will try to see. So we will not able to see this side because light travels in straight line. So this proves that light travels in straight line. So these are the properties of light. We will meet in the next class. Till then, thank you so much.